Welcome to another amazing Amazon product review. Today we're going to be reviewing a slime kit. But before we do that, I just want to say thank you to everybody that have liked, watched, or subscribed to the channel. It means a lot to me. It makes me motivated to continue doing the reviews, so thank you again. And if you have in your heart and in your fingers after watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And also
ring the bell
for notifications on when the next videos come up. Today I have a very, very special guest here, my baby, Layla.
Hi.
And she's going to be pretty much leading this review today. She's going to be showing all the amazing things that come in it. Before we started, we got this slime kit because this child right here, she is addicted to slime. And every time I go to the store, it's something almost like this.
Mommy, can I get this?
No.
Mommy, can I get this?
No.
Mommy, can I get this? Mommy, can I get this?
I said no.
Can I get it?
Does that sound familiar to you? So I was scrolling down Amazon and I found this beautiful slime kit. And I was like, Layla is going to love this. So I bought it and she was so surprised to get it. Wasn't you surprised, Layla? She was so surprised to get it. And she's gonna help me today. She's gonna be making this slime and she's gonna be showing you guys everything that comes in this beautiful kit. So Layla's gonna take over right now.
We got utensils, tools, tiny utensils. Don't use this to eat. No, don't. We got a cup of water. We got some glow-in-the-dark powder. We got 2 of these in case I can do it with my buttons, if I want to. And then we got some tops, of course, for the caps to put our slime in. We need that. Then we got some foam squares. I don't know what we need that for. And then we got some soft clay. It's really squishy. I like to squish it in the bag. And then we got some foam balls, rainbow foam balls, pink foam balls, another pair of pink foam balls, and blue foam balls. And then we got some fruit. I used to have a case of this, but yeah, anyway, I don't want to talk about it. We got a purple unicorn. We got a pink rainbow unicorn, I think. And then we got two rainbows. And then we got sugar powder.
Sugar powder?
Yeah.
Can I eat it?
No.
Is it sweet?
No.
No?
Don't eat this. Don't eat this. It's not safe. Then we got some of, how do you pronounce this?
Mica?
Mica powder, and for some reason they put it upside down.
Oh, I love this color.
This one's upside down.
Silly. I like this color right here. This is my favorite
I
color.
like both of these 2 colors because it's my favorite color. And then a nice magenta color.
Nice.
Then, of course, if you want to make a specific type of slime, you got this instructions. Then we got 4 different types of paint. I don't know if it's paint, if it's dye, but I'm not gonna add a lot of it. We got pink, purple, green, and yellow. Then we got 3 different types of scents: candy, strawberry, and lollipop.
Let's smell it.
Okay. Do you want to? How's it smell?
Ooh, it smells so good.
It smells like, hold on, what kind is this? It smells like a lollipop.
Ooh.
Can I smell it? What
This
is it?
candy.
Oh. That's a strong scent.
Was it good?
That's strong.
And this one is strawberry, Layla. Is your favorite fruit?
I love, no, cherries are my favorite fruit.
Okay. I don't even know her favorite fruit. Ooh, that smells good. I like that one.
And my turn. We got glue. I'm not sure if this is clear or white glue. No one knows. We'll figure out once we start this one. And we got some activator. I'm not sure how strong this is, so I'm just gonna add a little bit because I'm not sure how strong it is. Because if you add too much activator, it can make it really stiff, and you're not gonna like the slime that you make. No. Okay, so the types. Oh yeah, we got lotion. Don't forget about the lotion. Then we got this ginormous bowl and a spatula to mix the slime. And we got a specific type of slime we're gonna make. It's called the butter slime. And it shows all these types of slimes that are inside the book with the ingredients. If you want to take a look. I don't know what page I'm on, but here's the page.
Awesome. So let's get started.
Let's get started.
So let's get to action. Today we are going to make buttered slime. To make buttered slime, what do we need, Layla?
We need activator, glue,
Activator and glue. Instructions are very important.
water,
Water,
a measuring cup.
2 measuring cups.
What's it called again? Soft clay.
Soft clay.
Utensils if we need it.
Yeah.
And this.
And what did you pick to make your buttered slime today?
I chose a nice pink foam ball to give it texture. And then I got some pink dye to give it a nice color. And then I got some scent to make it look like a strawberry, to make it be like a strawberry.
Awesome. So let's start.
I also chose strawberry scent. That's why I said strawberry. So, and we need lotion.
Put a little
Let's
bit of lotion.
rub it together.
Right. So
Rub.
instructions says for 30 milliliters of clear glue. So instructions says for 30 milliliters of glue into one of these cups. Okay. So what is the glue? Clear glue. Clear glue, Layla. The glue is clear.
Clear.
Okay, so 30. I feel like I'm doing some
It is.
magic potion.
Magic potion.
Magic
Magic,
potion.
magic, 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 magic.
Alright, 30 milliliters of clear glue.
Now we need water.
And then we're gonna need to put 5 to 10 milliliters of water.
A little.
Okay.
That's so tiny. Add it to the water.
Together.
And we're gonna mix it.
Can I have a mixer?
I'm gonna choose this. Mix it with this piece.
Yep. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mix it. Oh wow.
Alright, Layla, now Mama's gonna.
Can I pour it? I think we should stop and let it
There we go. Now put it in.
in.
Alright, so then now we need 30 milliliters of activator.
It looks like we're pouring it on top of the blanket, but we're really not. We're pouring inside the bowl.
30 milliliters of activator. I think that.
Too big hard.
Mama is measuring.
How strong?
Oh, hold on. Mama put a little too much.
How strong is this? That's not what I do. Now too little. Let's add some activator. Oh wow, that was really watery. That's like
So now you need to mix for 80 seconds
with my hands.
Yeah, let's put a little bit of the pink.
It's not too much.
How many drops do you want?
I think 2, 3 is enough.
Do you know? Oh,
Now let's add the scent.
you actually need to mix with the thingy, with the spatula. Yeah, for 80 seconds. That's it.
Can you get the spatula? Where's the spatula?
Spatula right missing.
Daddy, can you get the spatula?
Right there, Daddy.
Now just add the big
Hold on,
foam
hold on.
balls.
Yeah.
3, 2.
Hold on, wait. Let's
Make it first.
now we go. One.
Oh my goodness.
Mix for 80 seconds.
And your second.
Okay, Google. Put a line for 80 seconds. Here you go. There you go. Mix it.
Mix. Slime. So easy to make, so but slime. I really love slime. So easy to make, so I make it all the time. Mix. You're mixing it like you're making a cake. Mix. This way.
Grab it on the corner.
I think we need more dye. Barely showing any color. Why can you mix on adding the dye? Can I stop it?
Everything is squeaky sound. Just put it on.
Yeah.
That's it.
You don't want it to be too dark.
Well, once we put the clay, it's going to
Make it lighter.
show like a nice color to it.
Can I say anything?
Yep. Make sure you press it.
Guys, you need to make sure you mix it very well. I've been watching slime videos for so long.
Lilith is watching slime videos for like, since she was like 3.
3? Say what?
Make sure you're mixing it.
This is already starting to form. I like that.
Ooh, that line is up.
Let's just keep on mixing for like 1 more minute. Make sure you mix it very well.
Well, it's ready to go now.
Can I touch it?
Wow, it says that once the liquid turns into gel,
Gel?
this time you may have activated less makeup. Take out of the jar and knead gently for a few minutes. So, but the thing is, you need to add the clay and mix it with your hand now. So it says the same amount, about the same amount that you have slime. So let's add the clay.
I found one phone call.
Go ahead, Mama. Mix it with
Play
it.
it first and
Mix it with it.
Yeah.
There you go. Now put your hands in it.
so hard to do it. Yeah.
Grab it. There you go.
This feels so weird. I don't like this.
You don't want me to do it?
Feel it for yourself. Oh, this feels so. Oh, look how stretchy it is. Here's very silent.
This is the most disgusting thing I've ever
She does not like slime.
put myself into.
She does not like slime. I love slime.
Just keep on doing like. Just keep on doing that.
It's so weird. How long does it say we have to mix this for?
If it's together until it's the way you want it to be.
But it's not gonna look so well.
Here.
Stretch it out a little bit. And do this.
Here, put it inside for mommy. The mommy needed it loose, I think.
What's needed?
Like a bread dough.
We're learning something new every day. Hey. Can I try kneading it? Gel. Is this?
Yeah.
Supposed to be butter slime?
Yeah, that's the butter slime.
Do we have the scent? Oh, it smells good.
Smells good? Doesn't smell?
I think we need a little bit more.
What, sand?
Yeah, it
Well,
smells like Play-Doh. That's what it smells like. Play-Doh. Play-Doh.
Try to mix it fine.
But knead it butter should
I feel like it.
Come on, let's try putting it in the bowl. So you don't get too messy.
We're talking about slime here, girlie.
You're about to pour on the instructions. It's getting all over my blanket. I just dropped the cap of this into here.
So this part right here is so hard.
Can I kind of see that part? Oh,
I think it's like it is the part that was open, and that's not good. So let's take this
if
lump
yours
out.
comes open, make sure you take the piece that was out. That was open.
There you go. Now, here we go. Now it's nice and soft. There you go.
Oh, it looks like a rainbow sort of.
Yeah, it looks really cool. There's like foam balls everywhere.
Let's go real quickly. That's good. And just start mixing
Yeah.
the dye and the stuff on my hand.
Yeah.
Oh, the scent's getting hard to smell.
Ooh, nice. It smells so good.
Slime, slime, I really like slime. What?
Can I try?
I think we should add some lotion because lotion makes it softer.
Ooh, look at
Look
that.
how stretchy it is.
It is.
Look. Show it. Ah!
So this is our final result, Layla. Show them. It's like very, what's that, stretchy. He has this nice like pink baby collar. Do you want to talk about how you felt doing it, Layla?
It felt weird a little bit once I had to like mix it with my hands. A foam ball just flew out like, I'm not being here anymore. Goodbye.
It was so fun to make this, and this is this our first slime that worked out, Layla?
Actually, I think it is because once we made a slime and we added like the whole bottom activator, it became really stiff.
It became like, it wasn't like that, so
Whoa.
overall I know that Layla, are you looking forward to make more slime with that?
I want to make more slime videos.
Layla wants to make more slime, she wants to make more slime videos for you. So if you want to see more videos, Layla, what should they do?
Comment down below.
And in the description of this video, you're gonna find the link for this set on Amazon, so you can purchase one if you like for your kids. And that's it. Do you have anything else, Layla?
Yeah. Once you start making the slime, you can start bending it like this and make a little bowl. Little dolls we want to play with.
And you can keep your slime on this nice little cup so they don't go old.
And if you want to add more, you can just add some more balls or something, more decorations. I don't think you should add more dye, but I think you should add more decorations if you want to.
You can add more decorations if you want
You
to.
can see the foam balls popping out. It's really fun to play with, and I think you guys will like it.
So this is our little slime that we made today. What does it look like, Layla?
Yogurt.
You look like a frozen yogurt. We put a little decoration. So if you liked it, what should they do, Layla?
Subscribe, share, and like. And ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Don't forget to ring the bell. So that's it. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.